This course will appeal to people from many different backgrounds. You may already be studying drama at school and working in the backstage areas of that and enjoying building sets and scenery for your school shows. Or you may be looking at perhaps a role in the construction industry in some ways and hadn't even thought about a career in the entertainment industry. We've developed this course, the foundation degree in scenic construction, because of a need from the industry. Within Cardiff particularly, companies like City Theatrical Services, Bay Productions, Wild Creations, and Forward. What we aim to do here is to create staff for these companies who will be skilled in both carpentry, metalwork, various types of materials, and also then be able to understand the way that theatre and film and television industry works. The entertainment industry is a very family-based industry in the fact that everybody works so closely together over long periods of time. Everybody gets to know each other extremely well. At Royal Welsh College, we try to emulate that as close as we can, and it does become very much a family-orientated business in that way. We'll be taking 8 students, and that's designed to be able to give the student the best experience. We'll be able to do a lot more one-to-one tuition. It means that you'll be able to get more experience with external companies, as well as working on in-house productions. A typical day on this program will be very hands-on. You'll be in our workshop facilities or on placement with one of our industry partners in their workshops. These companies have done huge amounts of work across the world, from operas to drama plays to film and television series such as Doctor Who or Da Vinci's Demons or His Dark Materials or Discovery of Witches. The foundation degree is a 2-year program. If you stay on for an extra year, you can top up to the BA Honours degree in Design for Performance. One of the exciting in-house projects that you'll be involved with is the construction of our design exhibition. Our design exhibition is extraordinary in its size and its content, and this exhibition will be shown here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama in Cardiff and also taken up to the Barge House on the South Bank in London. If you top up to the Design for Performance BA Honours degree, your work can actually be shown in this exhibition, as well as having the opportunity to work on it and to transfer it up to London. We want to see passion. We want to see people who really want to have a go at this industry and work in it and make it their career and make it their way of life.